Hello Kickstarter! We're 17 years into this brand new century. A century that is still somehow plagued with ill-fitting menswear due to big corporations maximizing their profits at our expense. We have seen brands shift towards the modern fit and slim fit categories, but finding the perfect fit has been and still is a hard time for many. But today, we turn the page. Today, after a breakthrough year, the ZipSeam is lighter, more flexible, and easier to use than ever before. You can now tailor your baggy shirts in minutes at the price of a cup of coffee. The shadow of the shirt fit crisis has passed, and the hold of the ZipSeam will remain strong through your toughest daily challenges. Starting from breakfast, to a day at the office. To happy hour. Maybe a date night. My lady. No matter what the occasion, the ZipSeam is a slam dunk. Let me show you how it works. For this shirt, I used 4 zip seams, one for each arm and one down each side seam of the shirt. First, we'll turn the shirt inside out and place the zip seam under however much fabric you want to take the shirt in. In this case, it's about ½ inch. Then, while holding the end, we can push the fabric into the channel with any card. Just slowly work our way down. Doing it carefully will reduce wrinkles and lead to a better finished product. Next, tie a knot onto the end of the cord and place it at the beginning of the channel we've made. Holding the knot down, we'll pull the cord into the channel, locking the fabric into place. I found it easiest to work with the cord one segment at a time. You should feel a snap into the channel, then you can move on to the next segment. Unlike traditional methods, the ZipSeam is removable and reusable, so if you gain or lose a couple of pounds, you can easily create a new fit. Lastly, we can smooth out any wrinkles by gently pulling on the fabric. Just like that, you have a strong new seam, and you can repeat the process with all the other seams and adjust as needed. Thank you for watching, and please leave a comment or question below.